The last modern thing that I wanted to show, this technique goes back to the 1700s. It's called English paper piecing, or EPP for short. I don't know whether the first shape that was used was hexagons, but hexagons are used a great deal now in anybody beginning this particular technique. And it literally has paper in the back, and you pull the fabric over it. And in this case, I actually basted through the paper as I pulled the fabric over the piece. And then when I sewed it together, I sewed like this an overcast stitch to put the pieces together. Now, even this has been carried farther, and there is a company that produces all sorts of shapes of pieces and then has a multitude of patterns that you can get in a way of putting them together. The paper does not stay in this forever. Once you have more design around a piece or are about to fasten it and applique it onto another piece, you take the pieces of paper out, you have removed the basting and take the pieces of paper out. So here's another shape that this company has. And again, one of the shapes that you can put together out of this elongated diamond. I have seen some absolutely gorgeous, I call them kaleidoscope, there may be another word for it, but great big designs like this with all sorts of colors and patterns working in it. And again, I feel that that is a very modern interpretation of using some of the older shapes that were in quilts are now being used in this method. Although, as I said at the beginning, this particular method goes all the way back to the 1700s. So lots of little stitches.